Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off or disable shorts remixing on a video using the YouTube Studio app for iOS and Android devices. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the YouTube Studio app and select the content button at the bottom. And then select the video that you want to go ahead and disable shorts remixing for. And then select the pencil icon at the top right. And then scroll down. Select where it says under the more options, select that. And there it says shorts remixing, allow video and audio remixing, select that. And then if you want to disable shorts remixing on this video, select don't allow remixing. Alternatively, if you wanted to allow short remixing, you can select one of the other two options up here. And then once you're done, click the back arrow twice, and you will need to select the save button up at the top right to save the change. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.